about to go to our second harvest host. We are now arriving, and
in 600 meters, turn left.
We will see how it goes. We'll see what happens today. We don't really have anything planned yet till we find out if we can stay here for a night or two. So we'll give you some views. I'm not sure where we're gonna park. The tasting room's that way, so my guess is park right there, love, and then we can go inside and ask. There's two ways to come in. We suggest this way. Lead into there.
Hi, there we are at Calamus Estate Winery, our second harvest host. We was told by the locals this was a hiking path leading towards Niagara Escarpment at Balls Falls, where there is a waterfall at the 20-mile creek that starts all the way in Hamilton City. Right there, as you can see, it's pretty dry for this season, but it's an 83-foot drop. It leads down this riverway all the way from Hamilton City, going through here, and all the way down, leading into Jordan's Harbor, into Lake Ontario. It's a 49-mile long riverway. And this is a great view that we love from Calamus Estate Winery, our second harvest host.
Good morning. So today is our second day staying at another winery, and I'm taking Jack for a walk, but apparently he's finding other interesting things. But at the winery, they do have these little tours where you can walk through and see all the vines growing. Here's a bunch of grapes. Yeah. Bunch of grapes. And there's some. Jag! Hey! Jag! This is a dog misbehaving. Sometimes that happens. Jag, wait! Jag is very curious about what's happening right now. He loves people a lot, and he doesn't understand that sometimes you just can't go see people. And right now, he definitely can't see those people, because they are on top of the roof. Jag, you can't go that way. Look, they're working. We wanted to come in and check it out. Prices and everything. Granted, I think it's Canadian money. Found a dog-friendly park, and everybody's sitting in chairs like there's some festival thing going on. So we're going to see about going into the water, Lake Ontario. Very excited. We'll give you some footage from there. But here we are, Lake Ontario. Jag is saving sticks again in Lake Ontario. Hi, babies! He doesn't want Fabian to throw it away in the water again. So he's trying to find a spot to hide it so he can't take it. See see the rocks and everything. It's so clear. Look how clear it is. Beautiful park. Here goes Jack. Save your stick. Good boy. We're in Lake Ontario. Yeah. It's not that deep. Hopefully some of the footages of Jack swimming come out good. Good job.
What's up, Jack?
He's just laying on Mama.